Hey there, fellow Google Sheets enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to remove formulas in Google Sheets for 2025. Whether you're a beginner cleaning up your spreadsheets or a pro dealing with dynamic data, knowing how to strip out formulas can save you time and headaches. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you want to remove a formula? Well, formulas make your sheets interactive, but sometimes you need static values, like when sharing data or archiving reports. The good news is, it's straightforward and only takes a few clicks. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document and locate the cells with the formulas you want to remove. For example, if you have a column calculating totals, select those cells by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Step 2. Once selected, right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy from the menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac to speed things up. Now, for the key part, right-click on the selected cells again and hover over Paste Special. From the submenu, select Paste Values Only. This will paste the results of your formulas as plain numbers or text, effectively removing the underlying formulas. If you're working with a large dataset, you might want to use the menu bar instead. Go to Edit, Paste Special, Values Only. It's just as effective and can feel more precise. One common mistake to watch out for is accidentally overwriting your data without backing it up first. Always make a copy of your sheet before making changes. It's a simple safeguard. And there you have it. You've successfully removed formulas in Google Sheets. This method works seamlessly in the 2025 version, keeping your workflows efficient. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.